Hello, welcome everyone. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. My name is Tim. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Summer Hill in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home that is wood framed. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome friends. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video here in the village of Summer Hill in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home that's wood framed. I will take a panoramic view of the street. I will pan right, which is facing west. And then I will pan left, and that is facing east. As I walk up to this home, friends, I do notice it has a painted concrete driveway, a 1.5 car garage. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact either the showing agent, Melissa Mann, that's her contact information, or the showing agent, or the listing agent, Sheila Davis at Realty Executives. I do notice this home has a very deep setback, very mature landscaping as well. It does have a 1.5 car garage. The roof was replaced in the year 2021. This is your listing agent's contact information, Sheila Davis. The hot water heater was replaced in 2023. HVAC was replaced in 2021. And the garage door opener was replaced in 2024. There is your roof line, friends. Looks in very good condition. You do have an outside patio area here as well, brick paver. It does have stone landscaping. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is that it does have beautiful laminate floors. It has knockdown texture on the ceilings as well. This home is turnkey. All the furniture that you see does go with this home. Off to the left, you will see a dining area, and you will see the kitchen area as well. The kitchen area has Formica countertops. It has white cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. That is a vinyl floor, friends. This kitchen does have a natural gas stove. This home is in very good condition. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. It does have a 2-bowl sink in the kitchen here as well. This is panning off into the living and dining room area. I will walk over to the guest area of this home. You do see these laminate floors continuing. This is the guest bathroom. It does have linoleum floors, oak cabinets with brushed stainless hardware, Formica countertop, 1 sink, knockdown texture ceiling. It does have a tub, and the tub and shower surround are made of fiberglass or plastic. Next, I will walk into the guest bedroom. This guest bedroom is located in the front of the home. It does have carpeting, knockdown texture ceilings, very large window. That is a queen size bed, friends. To give you perspective of the size of this room, this bedroom is 10 feet by 13 feet is the dimension. It does have bifold doors on the closet as well. And I will open the closet to give you an idea of what that closet looks like. That is your closet right there. It does have things in it. Has a wire rack shelf. It's a pretty standard closet, friends. I will open up the bifold doors. This is your linen closet for your guest bathroom as well. Wire rack shelf. This is your living room area. The living room area does have a sliding patio door out to the lanai. Let's take a look at what the lanai looks like, friends. The lanai does have carpeted floors. This is a turnkey home, friends. Knockdown texture on the ceiling. Very large windows that are either acrylic or glass windows. I will walk to the back of the yard and show you what that looks like, friends. It does have a small patio with a barbecue grill right here as well. That patio has painted concrete. Has very nice landscaping in the back of this home. Low maintenance. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. That is your back of your home. Back of the home does face south, friends. Let's go inside and take a look at the primary bedroom and the garage area as well. The primary bedroom is located on the opposite side of the home as the guest bedroom. This is your primary bedroom. It does have carpeting. That does appear to be a queen size bed, friends, to give you perspective. Knockdown texture on the ceilings. Very large window. I will take a walk into the corner. It does have a walk-in closet off to the right and a primary bathroom on the left. Let's take a look at what the walk-in closet looks like. Carpeted floors. Very large walk-in closet. Knockdown texture ceilings. This is what the bedroom looks like from this perspective. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Next, we will look at the primary bathroom. It does have linoleum floors, white cabinets, brushed stainless hardware, one sink, let's take a look at the shower. That does appear to be a 48-inch shower that is plastic or fiberglass. There it is. Does have a commode space as well. It does have Formica countertops as well. Next, I will walk off into the garage area. This would be a pantry closet. This is right off the kitchen area. That would be considered a pantry. Off to the left here, you do see the 1.5 car garage. It does have painted concrete floors. There is an easy-go golf cart. That golf cart does transfer with the sale of the home. There is your water heater that was replaced in the year 2023. There is your laundry that is in the garage as well. It does have a sink in the garage. HVAC system was replaced in 2021. That is your HVAC system right there. Next, I will walk out into the street. I'll give you one last panoramic view of the kitchen area. Very clean home. Very neutrally decorated home. I will take a video of the specification sheet. This home is located at 3318 Oakdale Place in the Villages, Florida. List price $299,900. 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood framed home. It is turnkey. It has an easy-go electric golf cart year 2018 that transfers with this home. Feel free to pause the video at any point if you want to read the specifications. I will turn this spec sheet over. There are your room dimensions, friends. There is a highlight sheet. I will also video that. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Here is your highlight sheet, friends. 3318 Oakdale Place. List price $299,000. Feel free to contact Melissa Mann, the showing agent, if you have any questions about this home. And I will include her contact information in the description of the video, as well as the listing agent, Sheila Davis. I will walk out into the street. I'll give you one last panoramic view of the street. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. This is standing in front of the home. Very mature landscaping. If you have any questions about this home, please contact Sheila Davis, your listing agent. That's her contact information. Or Melissa Mann, the showing agent today. I will walk out to the street and show you the home one last time. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. There is your home, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom cottage series home located here in the Village of Summerhill. List price $299,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me here in the Village of Summerhill in the Villages, Florida. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home that's wood framed. Have a great week, friends. Take care.